This very well taken care of 3-story Victorian home has been lovingly maintained by the same owners for more than 40 years. From the moment you step into this home you will be impressed. The first floor consists of the living room, which has 10-foot ceilings, a nice sized dining room, an attic, large laundry room and a half bath. The upstairs has 3 bedrooms and a full bath. There is a huge walk-up attic which could be finished off for additional living space. The unfinished basement is an added bonus, perfect for storage or could also be finished for added living space. The outside features include an oversized lot, off-street parking, a shed, and back porch. This home is located in the center of Mays Landing, close to restaurants, shopping and Lake Lenape. The Great Egg Harbor River is also close by if you are